So guys, it's time for you to pay attention. All right, I will be going through some stuff with you right now today, especially what's happening in the crypto market. Officially, guys, Bitcoin has broken the $70,000 resistance line. We have broken that record today, and we are trading above 71,000. And let me show you guys so you guys can see. You can see this is the price of Bitcoin, 71,600. It went as high as 71,800, even close to 900 before it came back. All right. So, but before I go further, there's something I want to say, and that is one of the problems that people have come into cryptocurrency is thinking you're not a trader, you don't know anything about trading, you don't know anything about technical analysis and all of that. Listen, there are different types of people in the crypto world, right? You have the traders, you have the investors, you have right now with the approval of the ETFs, you can call them brokers, right? People who provide brokerage services in the crypto world, right? So you don't need to know how to trade before you can profit from crypto. You can just be an investor, somebody who buy when the market is low and then you sell when the market is high. All right, that could just be what you're doing, and you will be cashing out your money. Remember, I said you buy when the market is low, you sell when the market is high. You take your profit out of the market, you buy in again, you sell out, you cash out your profit, you buy in again, you sell out, you cash out your profit. And at the same time, if you want to be a hodler, hodlers are those people who will buy crypto and keep them for a long time. Like for me, the first time I discovered cryptocurrency was in 2016. Yes, as at that time, Bitcoin was trading for around $300. I used to buy like 4 or 5 Bitcoins a single day, because then I was just using it for Ponzi. We have Ponzi platform like MMM, Get Help Worldwide, MMM United, MMM Global, and all that. So I knew nothing about, as in I wasn't anticipating that the market, that this crypto that we are using for this Ponzi platform is going to become as big as it is today. Imagine something I used to buy for $300. As I speak to you right now today, is selling for $71,000. Imagine the difference. $300 to $71,000. Can you see the gap? $300, right? Just 300 to 71,000. 71,000, right? 71 with 3 zeros, right? So now, if I had the knowledge I have now back then, I wouldn't have been so stupid back then, to be honest with you guys. But I lost a lot, lost almost everything and all that. But it's life. We keep pushing. One thing I know for sure about the crypto world is if you stick with crypto will not fail you. Yes, the market will go down, disappoint you, but it's going to definitely bounce back up. But it will never fail you completely. So let me quickly rush you guys through some things and then just to educate you guys. All right. How many of you are aware of this technology called let me open it up right here. Right. Let me open it up. Okay. There you go. Are you guys aware? How many of you know of this technology? Right, you see the lady wearing it there, and this is the advert. Look at her. Okay, now what you are seeing right here on my screen is exactly what she is seeing inside this goggle she's wearing her head. Can you see that? This is the goggle, right? And it is called the Apple Vision Pro. Do you understand? Now let's come back. This technology I just showed you now was announced last year by Apple. This is the latest innovation by Apple. This is the latest gadget that they have invented of recent time. This is their latest gadget. Remember back then, I think it was in 2005. I mean back then in 2001, 2002, 2003, we were only used to 2G mobile phones, right? Your Nokia, you make a call, right? But fast forward to about 2004, 2005, Apple Steve Jobs came up with the iPhone 1, which was the world's first touchscreen mobile smartphone. And you can imagine how the progress have been from that time to this time. Now we have the It's even up to iPhone 15 Pro Max, right? From iPhone 1 to 15. I can imagine how advanced the technology has developed. All right. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this, let me go back there. The reason why I'm showing you this is because this was launched last year. Now, let me come to crypto. I want to show you guys something. All right. Let me bring it up here. Where is it? Okay, here we go. It's loading. This project, it is called Capacity, okay, with a ticker CAP. Now, I don't know how many of you are aware of this project. Right now, it has been trading very, very low. Let's just go to the last 1 year. Let's see, 1 year. Let's see what the market looks like. You can see they've been going down, right? And let's go to all time. Look at it. Now, the last time it went as high, it made an all-time high, should be somewhere around December 27, 2017, right? Yes. And it was selling for 43 cents, right? Good. Now, let's go see their website. Let's see what they have on their website. Where is it? Okay, here we go. Pardon my network today. Now look at it. Capacity is an easy, scalable platform for creating, embedding, and analyzing 3D, AR, and NFT content. Look at the same Google you're seeing here, right? Look at, they say, we are introducing the first platform that solves the problem of creating and embedding 3D and augmented reality content in an affordable way. The Capacity ecosystem is used by enterprise, SMB, and ordinary users. Okay, the ecosystem encompasses content storage, API, SDK for third-party developers, free tools, framework, allowing users to connect. Now, this is what they are building, right? And they have been working on this project. Imagine this. Okay, download the SDK framework. Now, imagine you using these AR devices, right, to shop online. And this platform has been working on this project. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Let's see if we can get some few things about them, right? When did they launch? That's what I wanted to get. Look at it. Since 2017, these guys have been working on this project. Apple just came out with their own last year. I am not asking, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not asking you to do anything. I'm just showing you what is happening in the world behind. A lot of you who were into NFTs back then in 2021, you think NFT and the metaverse are all dead, right? Okay. Wait for the shocker. All right? You don't know what Sony and Samsung are doing behind, but I will talk about that in another video. I just wanted to give you guys a clue of what's happening and what is about to happen in the world to come, and very, very soon. See you guys in the next